Break statement. The break statement enables a program to skip over a part of the code. A break statement terminates the very loop it lies within. Example. For I in range 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Print I end is equal to. If I is equal to 50. Break. Else. Print Mississippi. Print thank you. Output. 1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. 3 Mississippi. 4 Mississippi. 5 Mississippi. 50 Mississippi. Continue statement. The continue statement skips the rest of the loop statements and causes the next iteration to occur. Example. For I in 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 0. If I% 2 is equal to 0. Continue. Print I. Output. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0.